Ngayon sa likha, likas na nakamamangha. Likas na malapit ang ating kultura sa mga Tsino, mapasalita, pamumuhay o maging sa kultura. At bago pa man mag-kung hei fat choy ang mga Chinoy, isa munang exhibit ang ipinakita ng National Commission for Culture and the Arts at ng Chinese Embassy tungkol sa mayamang kultura at pamumuhay ng mga Tsino. Ito'y tinatawag na On the Wings of Culture, a glimpse of China's cultural regeneration exhibit na dinaluhan ni Chinese Ambassadress to the Philippines Ma Keqing, NCCA Executive Director Emelita Almosara at NCCA Chairman Felipe M. De Leon noong January 17, Huwebes sa NCCA Building, Open Gallery.
Marami tayong common heritage, especially in the field of art, arts and crafts, medicine and healing, technology. Although very distinct yung pottery natin kaysa sa pottery na. We have very, very different traditions when it comes to ceramics, pottery. Iba yung sa kanila kaysa sa atin.
Makikita sa mga larawan na tunay na kakaiba at maimpluwensya ang kulturang Tsino. Mga larawang nagpapakita ng katanyagan, kagandahan at kalayaan ng bansa. Mula sa kanilang handwriting na tinatawag na Han, Zhangye Danxia landform na kabilang sa World Heritage List, fashion show ng international designer na si Fendi sa mismong Great Wall, at marami pang larawang nagkukwento kung gaano kamalikhain ang mga Tsino.
In the Philippines, it's first time for me to be here. So I found out the culture is also very diversified. And I learned one definition of Filipino. I don't know, have you ever heard about it? What is Filipino? Filipino is an English-speaking Malay with a Spanish name and eating Chinese food. So I think it's a very vivid description of the Filipino. I think the two cultures can learn a lot from each other. Yes, yeah.
Sa kabila ng iba't ibang kontrobersiya sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa, nananatili pa ring matatag ang pagkakaibigan ng mga Pinoy at Tsino sa pamamagitan ng sining at kultura.
For the longest time, we have friendly relations with China, and therefore this exhibit will more or less continue the interesting exchanges between our two countries. And since we are from the NCCA, we look at it from the point of view of culture. So we don't talk about political issues here. We talk about how we can promote our interesting partnership in terms of cultural exchanges.
Ang exhibit ay magtatagal hanggang January 30 bukas sa lahat mula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 6 ng gabi sa NCCA Open Gallery sa Intramuros, Maynila.